Hey guys, it's Candy here with Crazy 8's Life, and I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you today. It's been a while. I don't know when my last video was, but I know it's been a while. I've sent a couple of boxes back. I just have not had the time. So I'm excited to see what is in this box. So here we go. Let's go ahead and see what we've got. As always, we have the return mailer envelope, so that anything that you do not want to keep, you just stick in here and put back in your mailbox and send it right back. For any of you that don't know, Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. So you fill out a profile stating your likes and your dislikes as far as clothing is concerned, and you're paired to the stylist. They pick out some outfits for you, ship them to your house, and then you have a chance to try them on at home and decide whether you like them or not. And anything that you don't like, you just simply ship back. I will have a link in the description below for a discount on your first box. I believe it is $25 off the first time. So we always have a note from our stylist along with some outfit suggestions. My stylist is Andrea. Was having someone named Megan for quite some time, and now it has changed. So it says, "Happy Fix Day. It is so great to be styling you again." So I must have had her last time. I'm not going to really read all of this right now, but it sounds like there's maybe a t-shirt, and it says, "I know you do a lot of hiking, so I grabbed some biker shorts. Do you have any trips coming up? Cheers, Andrea." I don't know about biker shorts. I think I may be a little bit old for that, so we'll see. And then we have the prices here, and I will go over them and also put them in a video as I'm trying on and going through the items. All right, so it is summer, so the bundles are a little bit smaller, but here is the bundle. Looks like some jeans or jean shorts, and the rest look like maybe tops. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. So the first item I'm going to pull out of here are the biker shorts. Here they are. Just shorts. I mean, if you wear leggings, I guess biker shorts are pretty similar. I don't even wear leggings for the most part, so we'll see. These biker shorts are by Sage. They're called the Rebecca biker shorts, and they are $38 retail. So we will see. And then we have a Market Spruce tee, MAC surplus top, and actually that's wrong. I have two Market and Spruce shirts, so I'm reading the wrong one. So this first one is the Market and Spruce Pima Cotton Scoop top in white. It retails for $28, and it is a pretty basic tee. And although I really love Market and Spruce, this seems a little bit like it could be see-through. So I'm not 100% sure about this top, but sometimes I think they're gonna be see-through and they're not. So we'll just kind of check it out and see. And then let's see what we have next. All right, so the next Market and Spruce top that we have is a MAC surplus top in navy. It retails for $38. It is kind of a V-neck tank with a floral pattern, and it looks kind of like a crisscross in front. I don't know if you can see that, but it does kind of wrap in the front, so we'll see. I feel like I've had something similar to this, but not in the floral color. All right, and then we have a Z Supply Tamica V-neck knit top in blue for $36. Again, a pretty basic tee, which I did tell her that in the summers we're camping a lot, we're outside working a lot. I don't do a whole lot of dressing up. And so I really just needed casual tops. So that is what she gave me. So it's gonna be a pretty basic try on this time. And then a pair of jean shorts that are by Pistola. And they are called the Iliana High Rise Fray Hem Shorts. And they are $58. And I think that these are really cute. And I don't think I've had this brand before. So we'll see, but I really like the coloring on these, and they're different from anything that I have so far. So that's it for the items in the box, and I'm gonna go try these on for you, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back with the first outfit, and I have the Pistola Fray Hem denim shorts on, along with the Market and Spruce Surplus floral top in navy. And I'm gonna go ahead and just show you both of those, and I will list the prices in the video. So here's the Market and Spruce Surplus top. It does have a wrap here, and it is like a V-neck tank. I do not have the right bra on, I'm sorry. But it kind of just is loose here, and a little bit longer in the back. And I have to show you the jeans here also. So this is the Pistola jeans, the frayed, high-waisted, fray-hemmed jean shorts. And this whole outfit is super comfortable. The jeans feel like I'm just wearing pajamas. So they're super comfy, which I like. I do like the color of them. You guys let me know in the comments below what you think of this outfit, and I'm gonna go try on the next one. Okay guys, I am back with the Z Supply Tamica V-neck knit top in blue. It is $36 retail, and I'll also put that in the video. I have it on with the same Pistola high waist denim shorts. So I will show you that outfit here. It is a basic tee. It's super comfy, V-neck. Seems like a good quality top. So it's not super thin, and I think it's a nice top for summer. So you guys let me know what you think. And I think I have one more outfit. All right, guys, I'm back with the last outfit, and I have on the Harley Pima Cotton Scoop top by Market and Spruce. And along with that, I have it paired with the Sage Rebecca bike shorts in black. So let me go ahead and show you this outfit, and then we'll wrap up this video, and I will go over the prices of everything together. So this top is fairly thin. I don't know if you can tell that, but it's kind of thin, and I'm kind of worried that it may not wash super well as far as coming out all out of shape. I mean, it seems like it's good quality. I'm just not 100% sure about the thickness of it. And then I have on the biker shorts, which I'll have to stand up here so you can see. And they are a bit longer, and they are super, super comfy. I mean, they fit like a pair of leggings, and they really just hold everything in and are really comfortable. I'm just not 100% sure that I am a biker short kind of person, because honestly, I'm not even a legging person. So here's the top just out, and they are high-waisted. So to tuck it in, it's pretty high. It's pretty high up to get a good tuck. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and turn around quick for you. If I can keep on my little stool here. Anyway, so that's it, and I'm gonna go over the prices really quickly with you. So for this entire box, it is $198, and if you get all 5 items, that would take $49.50 off, which brings it down to $148.50 for the entire box. I don't have any other discounts, and I do the Style Pass, so that doesn't get taken off either. If you do not do the Style Pass, there is a $21 style fee that will come off of any item that you would purchase. So I think that's it, guys. I am just going to wrap it up right here, and you guys just make sure that you let me know what you think of the items that I received this month. And I guess I will just see you guys next time. Bye.